Hi guys, good morning. We're ready to off-road to Mexico Baja. This is our truck. There's another truck.
That too.
Hi. So we're going to Baja and Cabo this morning. That's it. There's more truck here. Say hi.
It's a crew! Truck!
Okay, customer.
I don't want to say crew. What do you say, crew? Yeah, crew.
We're in San Diego for now. We're leaving soon. Thank you for watching.